Hey everybody, this is Mark Rollins from TheGeekChurch, and today we're going to be reviewing another, oh boy, here we go. I think it's pronounced Netatmo. Leave a comment in the comments if you know how to actually pronounce this, and I really should have done my research, I'm sorry, but today we're going to start our research by doing an unboxing of this product, the Smart Video Doorbell. Now, what is a Smart Video Doorbell, you might ask? Do I really have to explain it? It's a smart doorbell. Come on, I've done this before. Here's my plan. I'm going to unbox this thing now, and then later on I'm going to splice in some video of it actually working. So you'll get to see some nice shots of me trying to push a button with my finger, probably like this. A little sneak preview right here. So what's in the box here? Let's check it out. Well, it does this. Woohoo! Gonna open her up. Gonna try and keep these in view. As you can see, we have this guy here, and what I like about him is it looks like he's got a big place for the speaker. Because if you got a smart doorbell, the whole purpose is if someone rings your bell, you can get on your phone or something like that and basically say, hey, who is this? Or it's like, or leave the package there. Or it's like, that better be that product I was supposed to test out, or something like that. You can see the little camera lens right there, very obvious. This thing looks like it's pretty thick, so it's probably gonna stick out from your door a little bit. Eco-friendly packaging, like that. Okay, we have this thing. I don't know what this could be for, but something tells me that it's probably designed to fit this. Whether you can do it or whether you have to use this or not, we'll come and check this out. And we got some other stuff here, what is this? Is this a catalog or something? Oh, it is a catalog. All right, okay, we got that. Little sticker here, so you can probably put on your thing just to let burglars know, oh no, he's got a Netatmo, now he's playing with power. Okay, so here's the instructions for it. And all I got to say is, dang, look at how thick this is. This little book. Dude, should be like a copyright or something like this. Can I check this out at the library? Seriously. Okay, now a lot of instructions I get, it's like in different languages and jive like that. So what else does it come with? It comes with this. This looks like some kind of battery of some type, from what I can tell. I'm just saying that because this thing happens to have this giant space here. This I thought would be the exact size and shape of that. It doesn't appear to be. I'm not sure how this really works. We're gonna find out. Okay, then we have this compartment here, which is full of a lot of great stuff. We got some screws in here. Okay, we're obviously gonna be screwing this to the door. And as I predicted, a lot of smart doorbells have something like this, so you can kind of get this angle effect if you want that. You know, I've never actually done like a kind of formal video of me actually doing this kind of stuff, because seriously, I need someone else to hold the camera, and that's kind of difficult sometimes when I'm doing this. What I really hope we're gonna get is some nice video footage of me just at the door, maybe ringing it. Sneak preview. Okay, I gotta make sure that happens. Otherwise, it's gonna be one of those trailers where like you see stuff in the trailer that you don't see in the film. What the heck is up with that? Why would they just do that? In the meantime, this is Mark Rollins, and hopefully we're gonna make a part 2 of this. If not, we're gonna put the information down below in the description. Leave a comment. Also, like and subscribe. This is Mark Rollins here, signing off.